beside me. The colonel's in the back, I'm coming to your town. In my pink Cadillac, I'm just a honky-tonk man. Just a honky-tonk man. I'm just a honky-tonk man. I'm cool, I'm cocky, I'm bad. I'm just a honky-tonk man. 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 I'm cool, I'm cocky, I'm bad. I'm just a honky-tonk man. I'm cool, I'm cocky, I'm Come on now, make some noise! No, I mean make some noise. Come on, make some noise. Give it up for my tag team partners. Now, come on, give it up. How about this poor display of manhood we have here? Huh? Son? There's a couple of police over here. I think that should be a city ordinance against wearing your underwear out here. Yeah, I know you do because that's just how you are. You're from San Francisco. But, you know, I like everything. That's what you are. Yes, you are. Come on, give it up one time. Dan to be Severn!